Well, here's what going on day 3 of the South Texas snow. It's pretty out here. I'm out at my mom's house. She's got, and there's little Bella running. She lives on a couple of acres of land, and there's my truck with all the ice on it. Let's see, let's see if this is slip. Nope. But it's real pretty out here. Nice and deep. Snow, well, not deep, but it's just frozen. There's Bella. Come on, Bella. I'm gonna see if I can find some more logs for the fire. I mean, it's like 10 degrees right now. I mean, this is unheard of in Texas. I mean, it happens. I mean, it has happened. Let's see if I can get any logs out here. Let's see. See, look how pretty it is in the forest behind my mom's house. It's like really pretty. I mean, it's all nice and white. Yeah, we don't know how to dress for this weather. And there's Bella. The snow's almost strong enough to hold her up. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that snow is up in that tree. You never see that in South Texas. But look how that's pretty back there, man. Wouldn't mind going back there. And got the deer roaming around back there. But like the ground's crunchy because everything's frozen. So it was like 12 degrees last time I checked. Yep. It's ice now. So it looks like, oh, I guess that's a dog there or something. Beautiful winter day in South Texas. So I guess been having rabbits or something out here. Looks like it. Rabbits, little rabbit prints. They come into the yard. See, so Mom's got this heat pump instead of a heater, and look, looks like everything's froze up in there. Whew. Hey. All right. Well, thanks for watching.